it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator based in the UK. Do remember, if you need any Stampin' Up products and you're in the UK, you can order from me. There's a link to my online store below and over on my website, which is also linked below. I've got a slightly different Top Tip Tuesday for you today. You will remember, I'm sure, that the new Christmas catalogue launches tomorrow. Lots of goodies there. If you are on a bit of a budget, let me just say, as at the point of recording this video, that there are quite a few items on the clearance rack. This is my phone's clearance rack, that are Christmas. So we've got designer series paper, we've got embellishments, we've got dies, we've got the bright copper shimmer paint, the gold shimmer paint, the Vegas gold shimmer paint. We've got the iridescent boxwood wreaths, all sorts of things. So do take a look at the clearance rack. As I say, particularly if you're on a budget and you need to do a bit of mass making or something like that, this is a really, really good place to have a look. So there's that. Also, we've got from tomorrow the designer series paper sale. This is a buy 3 get 1 free. So for every 3 packs of designer series paper you order from this list, which I will go through with you, you can choose a 4th free, and you choose which one is free, and one of them's a specialty paper. So that's exciting. So we have got, in no particular order, well, let's do it in the order in which they're listed here. So the Perennial Essence paper, which is gorgeous. If you like that Monet look, then that's for you. So that's one of them. See a Silhouette, which is stunning, is another. Come Sail Away, which is this lovely blues and greens, really good for masculine cards. Magnolia Lane, which is all the way back here, so all these lovely soft colours, and the sort of matching Garden Lane paper, which is all these lovely greens. So if you like your greens, this is for you. Follow Your Art designer series paper, which is this fun one here, great for adults and for children. Woven Threads, which is this one, which has all of the new 2019-2021 in colours in it. So it's got Pretty Peacock, Purple Posy, Rococo Rose, Seaside Spray and Terracotta Tile, all in the papers. So it's a great one if you like the new in colours. If you are thinking children, again, we've got Dino Raw. This is another of the papers that's included. Bird Ballad, which is stunning. I cannot tell you how many packets of Bird Ballad paper I have already been through. So Bird Ballad paper, and lastly, and this is the one that is the specialty paper, is the Pressed Petals. Now this one you get 24 sheets. It's the slightly lighter weight paper, but you get 4 each of the 6 designs. Stunning, quick cards because you've got cut apart sheets, soft colours, beautiful. If you like very vanilla, it's on a very vanilla background and it is just amazing. This starts, the buy 3 get 1 free starts tomorrow, so it's with the launches with the same, on the same day as the new catalogue, which I still can't show you the inside of. But if you are looking to get a reasonable amount, do remember that when you hit £150 in sale in your order, you get to pick some of the host stamp sets if you'd like, because you get stamping rewards and the host set. There are 2 really lovely host sets in the new catalogue. That's how you get to pick those. The only way you can get those host sets are for free. But if you are looking at that sort of money, do remember that if you join my team, you get a 20% discount from the get-go. You can put whatever you like in your starter kit. You can't take advantage of the buy 3 get 1 free sale, but you could do that as your first order as a demonstrator, and then you'd get 4 packs of paper at even bigger discount, because you get to only spend or buy 3 packs, but you get 20% off. So anyway, thank you very much indeed for watching today. As I say, do remember that if you want to shop with me and you're in the UK, you can see the link below. I have team across Europe, so we've got UK, France, Germany, the Netherlands and Austria. Can all join my team. What else was I going to say? Do remember the host code. And there was something else I was going to say. Oh yes, if you don't already subscribe, please hit the subscribe button. It's in the bottom right hand corner. And if you want to get notification of when I post another video, you can hit the notification bell. Otherwise, if you don't hit the bell, I won't clutter up your inbox with new video emails. Thank you very much indeed for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon.